So I just purchased a bag of potato chips and it got stuck in this vending machine right here. Can you see? Can you see right here? It's just hanging. It's just hanging. So what am I to do? I just paid $1.25 for a bag of chips at midnight in Alaska. You see, it's still daylight, right? So I'm just gonna try to rock the machine a little bit to jog this little guy loose. Because you see how he's just floating right there? He's just floating right. He's floating right there. Yeah, I want to jog that motherfucker loose, right? So here we go. Damn. He's stuck in it. Damn, bro, this sucks. So here I am again. I couldn't jog loose the dangling chips, so I'm just gonna repurchase it and hopefully I'll have 2 this time. So I'm putting all the money into the machine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My selection is 10. Look. Oh, what happened? Now there's 2 bags fucking loose. Are you fucking kidding me? What? So I did manage to jog 1 loose. Here it is. Finally, a fucking bag of fucking chips in Skagway, Alaska. That's what it takes to get some food at 2 in the morning here. Well, you just missed it, folks, but actually another 2 just jogged loose from that, whatever the fuck that thing is right there. So I think we just got another 2 bags. 1, 2. Look at that. So now I got 3. So what just happened was I paid for 1, it got jammed. I paid for 2, it got jammed again. And then all of a sudden I got 3, plus I got 4 quarters of change back from the vending machine. Look at this. So basically I got 3 chips plus $1 back for the price of 2. That's what happened here.